1. Wake up before your mind starts negotiating. The first battle of the day is the alarm. If you lose that, you start the day losing. Getting up on the first ring isn't about feeling ready. It's about proving you control your mind, not the other way around. 2. Don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Your brain wakes up in a vulnerable state. If the first thing you see is notifications, drama, or dopamine, your focus is destroyed before the day begins. Your mind should hear you first, not the world. 3. Drink water before caffeine. You're dehydrated after sleeping. Your brain is running on low power. Fixing that simple chemistry boosts your clarity faster than coffee ever will. Most people feel morning anxiety because they're just dehydrated. 4. Move your body the moment you stand up. Not to get shredded to wake your nervous system. A few minutes of stretching, push-ups, or a walk sends a message. We're active. We're here. We're not drifting through this day. 5. Hit yourself with cold exposure. Cold water snaps you out of sleep mode instantly. It forces you into alertness and kills that lazy morning comfort. If you can't handle 10 seconds of cold, don't expect to handle real pressure later. 6. Clean one simple thing in your environment. Make your bed, fix your desk, reset the room. A clean environment is quiet discipline. It signals to your brain that chaos is not welcome today. Order builds momentum long before motivation ever shows up. 7. Write down the one target that actually matters. Not a list. Not 10 goals, one mission. The thing that moves your life forward if you complete it. Your brain needs direction, not noise. Clarity is a weapon. Use it. 8. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. No phone, no music, no stimulation, just your mind. Silence exposes everything you've been avoiding. It sharpens you. It anchors you. Most people run from silence because it forces truth. You use it to build strength. 9. Eat something that fuels your discipline. A sugary breakfast kills your willpower. By noon, your first meal sets the biochemical tone for the day. Fuel clean, think clean. Fuel garbage, think garbage. 10. Attack your hardest task before the world wakes up. This is where transformation happens. Do the uncomfortable thing first. Beat resistance early. That single decision shifts the trajectory of your entire day because you proved you can win while your discipline is still fresh.